Hit that subscribe button, join the MA crew, and let's build this together.
You bring the effort, we'll bring the energy.
More push-ups doesn't mean better push-ups. You've seen that guy at the gym, cranking out 100 reps like he's in a boot camp movie, dropping to the floor every morning, hammering rep after rep, and yet his chest looks exactly the same as it did 6 months ago. Meanwhile, someone doing 20 clean reps is actually building muscle. Same exercise, completely different result. Here's why. When you chase numbers, your form falls apart, and the moment your form breaks, your chest checks out, your triceps take over, your shoulders compensate, your lower back sags. You're not doing push-ups anymore. You're doing a full-body struggle that builds nothing. Let me fix that. The truth is, one perfect push-up does more for your chest than 10 sloppy ones. Not because volume doesn't matter, it does. But volume without quality is just cardio with extra steps. Here's what a quality push-up actually looks like. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Elbows tucked at 45 degrees, not flared out like a scarecrow. Core tight, glutes squeezed. Body locked in one straight line from head to heels. You lower until your chest grazes the floor. Not hovers above it, not bounces off it, grazes it. Then you push slightly forward and up like you're shoving the floor away from you. That right there is 1 rep, and that 1 rep is worth 10 of the sloppy version. Now here's where quantity comes back in, because it's not the enemy. Once your form is locked, volume becomes your best friend. Progressive overload works the same way here as it does with any barbell lift. You add reps, you add sets, you slow the tempo, you narrow your grip, you elevate your feet, you make it harder over time. That's how you build real muscle with push-ups. But here's the part most people skip. Your body adapts fast. If you do 50 push-ups every day with the same form, same speed, same hand position, your body stops treating it as a challenge. It becomes maintenance, not growth. You're not building, you're just showing up. So the answer isn't more, and it isn't less, it's harder. 10 slow, controlled, full-range push-ups with a 2-second pause at the bottom will destroy your chest more than 40 fast, sloppy reps every single time. Here's how to apply this. Start every set with a form check. Hands, elbows, core, hips locked before rep 1. Stop the set the moment your hips sag or your elbows start flaring. That's your real last rep, not the one where you half collapse to the floor and call it a push-up. Once you can hit 3 sets of 20 with perfect form, it's time to level up. Add a weighted vest, slow the tempo to 3 seconds down, 1 second up. Try archer push-ups, elevate your feet. Make each rep harder instead of just doing more of them. That's the shift. From counting reps to owning them. Because at the end of the day, your chest doesn't count your reps. It only responds to tension, range of motion, and progressive challenge. Give it that, and it grows. Chase numbers without it, and you're just tired for no reason. Quality builds the muscle, quantity builds on top of it. Now go do 10 push-ups, perfect ones, and tell me in the comments if you actually felt the difference.
Keep your core tight, elbows controlled, and lower with control. Kino, this is how you do a proper push-up the right way.